So if you want to go ahead and collect out angle information from users inside of Jotform, then what you can do is you can utilize something called the Angle Picker Widget. So to go ahead and add that, you can click on Add Element. Then you can go to Widgets right here. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and type in Angle, and here you can see Angle Picker is an option. Go ahead and click, and then what happens is that you get the Angle Picker, as you can see, and you can add in a default value as well, like 45 right here. And then I can see something like pick your angle right here, just like this. So once you do that, you can go ahead and then preview out your form, and then you simply have an interactive angle picker that you can see visually right here. You can go ahead and click and drag, and this is what you have. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with Angle Picker Widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe